Hi guys. So another intraday trader recently got in touch with me. This trader used specific type of double top and double bottom candlestick chart patterns in his intraday trading. He was looking to automate recognition of these two patterns as he had been doing this manually and was missing on many trading opportunities as it's not feasible to manually scan a large watch list. So I helped him build an Excel tool to automate recognition of these two patterns, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. Before I show you the Excel tool, let me first explain the double top and the double bottom chart patterns in case you're not already familiar with the concept. So for a double top pattern, we first have an initial push in the upward direction, followed by a first pullback. So this is the first high. Next, we have a second push in the upward direction, followed by another pullback. And this is the second high. So this trader wanted that the second high should be lower than the first high and should be within a specified margin of the first high. Next, for a double bottom pattern, we first have an initial push in the downward direction, followed by a pullback in the upward direction. So this is the first low. Then we have another push in the downward direction, followed by another pullback. So this is the second low. And this trader again wanted that the second low should be higher than the first low and should be within a specified margin of the first low. The trader also wanted 4 input parameters into the tool. The first parameter is time frame. That is what time frame is used for scanning the patterns, whether it's 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and so on. Next parameter is the minimum value of the first push as a percentage. Third parameter is maximum first pullback as a percentage of the first push. And the last parameter is the maximum margin between the two tops or the bottoms. Now let me show you the Excel tool. So this is the Excel tool, and as you can see, there are two sheets in this Excel tool. The first sheet is the alert sheet, and the second sheet is the watch list sheet. On the watch list sheet, we can specify all the contracts in which we want to run the pattern recognition. So right now I have specified around 50 stocks. Then coming on to the alert sheet, at the top, we can specify the 4 input parameters that we just discussed. So I have set the time frame to 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 120 seconds, that is 2 minutes, and 300 seconds, that is 5 minutes. I have set minimum first push to 1.25%, max first pullback to 50%. Remember that this is computed as a percentage of first push. Max margin between two tops or two bottoms at 15%. This is again computed as a percentage of first push. Then over here we have a couple of buttons. When we click on refresh data, this Excel connects to TWS, starts fetching the real-time data, and starts running the pattern recognition. We have another button. So if we change any of the input parameters, we can click this button to refresh the patterns. Then at the bottom, we have the patterns table, which displays all the identified patterns along with the relevant information like what's the symbol, what's the time frame, when was this alert generated, what is the name of the pattern, start time of the pattern, end time of the pattern, and the pattern chart. So right now we have a few patterns identified for these set of input parameters. We have around 3 patterns and all 3 are double tops. So let's actually relax these input parameters a bit so that we can find a few more patterns. So let's change the minimum first push to 1%, max first pullback to 75%, max margin to 25%, and let's click on refresh patterns button. And now let's see. So we have a double bottom. in the symbol eternal. In Asian Paints, which I think we had already identified for the first set of input parameters, we have a double top. In Nestle Industries, we have again a double top. Then Asian Paints again, this time the time frame is 120 seconds. It's again a double top, and so on. So this way we can take a look at the identified patterns and see if any of this is a good trading opportunity. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.